Magandang araw mga kagakusei Itachi. Wow, finally lesson 18 na tayo ng ating JFT Basic Book 1 review. And ako ay super natutuwa kasi syempre, di ba, nakaraos tayo ng simula lesson 1 hanggang lesson 18 today. And hopefully, makakuha kayo ng idea on how you can answer, no? Or makapag-practice tayo on how we can answer our JFT Basic Review. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so this is our first Monday. So si Nue-san, mai ni. This kanji is amai. Amai mono ga nani-nani to iteimashita. Iteimashita is sinabi niya na ano daw, na amai mono before. So, ano kaya yung proper na conjugation natin ng daisuki if followed by particle to? So, ilagay natin sa context to. Nube-san, mai ni amai mono ga daisuki na to iteimashita. Daisuki da to iteimashita. Daisuki de to iteimashita. Okay? So mga kagakusei Itachi, sa palagay nyo sa tatlo, alin yung sounds natural kapag idinikit mo kay to? Alright, correct. The answer is nibang. Daisuki da to iteimashita. So here's the rule of thumb. Ang daisuki is a na-adjective and if it is followed by to, nilalagyan mo siya ng da. So dato. So that will becomes natural to you kapag narinig mo yung or meron kang to before your na-adjective. Ayan. So mas sounds natural kasi siya. Okay? So daisuki dato iteimashita. Sabi ni Nue-san before ay super like niya ang sweets amay mono. Okay? So, let's go to our second Monday. So, betsukai no san ka siya wa 15人ぐらいと思います。と思います, I think. 15人ぐらい, about 15 people. Sangka siya, attendees. And so betsukai is it's like an it's like a sayonara party, no? Kapag merong isang aalis from the company, so they have this party na sobetsukai para to pay tribute, no, doon sa taong aalis. So maybe lilipat siya ng company o kaya naman ay magre-retire na. So sobetsukai, no, ang word natin doon. So betsukai. So ngayon, ang Monday natin is we have here the Jugo Ningguray, about 15 people daw ang sangkasya or attendees. Now, followed by to omoimas, I think, again, to is a particle. So, let's put it in context. Check natin kung alin ang sounds natural. Hi, Jugo Ningguray, to omoimas. Jugo Ningguray na to omoimas or Jugo Ningguray da to omoimas. Okay, which one is the proper answer? Okay, minasan, correct. If you chose one, wala tayong inilalagay in between a quantifier and to mo imas. Tandaan nyo yan. So, kahit na siya ay mukhang noun, pero yeah, kapag meron kang quantifier, it will never have anything in between them. Okay? So, tandaan natin yung rule of thumb naman na yon. Okay. Ja, tsugi ikimasu. Hai, Yamada-san wa isogashi to itte imashita kara, sobetsukai ni wa nani-nani to omoimasu yo. Okay. So, to omoimasu yo, again, I think that sobetsukai is, yeah, it's like a sayonara party. And then meron tayong clause 1, which is Yamada-san wa isogashi to itte imashita kara. Sinabi ni Yamada-san na busy siya. Yamada-san isugashi to iteimashita kara, busy siya. Dahil busy siya, ano kaya ang proper conjugation ng ating verb na kimas? So let's put it in context. Sobetsukai ni wa konai to omoimasu yo. Sobetsukai ni wa konai so to omoimasu yo. Or sobetsukai ni wa konakireba naranai to omoimasu yo. Okay, dyan mga kagakusei Tachi, which one? Alright, so very simple naman kasi yung ating context. Betso kay ni wa konai to omoimasu. I think hindi siya dadating. I think hindi siya darating. Okay, so that's why konai is our proper answer dahil isugashi siya, busy siya, sabi niya. Okay, so nagkakaroon tayo ng judgment on our end na mukhang hindi siya dadating. Ngayon hindi pwede ang ang konai so kahit na it seems like or you're judging from what you heard or judging from what you see. Konai so dapat yan ay konai so omoimasu, wala na yung to particle natin here. Okay, to make it grammatically correct. Hi. Okay, next. Purezento nani ga ii desho ka? Sabi ni B, omoide ni nokoru mono ga nani nani to omoimasu yo. Okay. Purezento is, siguro mayroon siyang bibigyan ng gift, nani ga ii desho ka? And he is asking basically for an opinion. And then si B, nagbigay naman siya ng opinion niya and very polite kasi sabi niya to omoimasu. I think that yung something na maaalala niya, no? Omoide ni nokoru mono. Yung parang every time makikita niya yon, maaalala niya kung sino nagbigay. So, ibig sabihin, hindi sana nauubos na bagay kasi natitira siya. Hindi sana nauubos na bagay. Okay, so let's put it in context. Okay, omoide ni nokoru mono ga ii to omoimasu. Nokoru mono ga ii no to omoimasu or nokoru mono ga ii desu to omoimasu. Okay, so mga kagako sa Itachi, which one makes you feel that it's really natural? Alright, so ii to omoimasu. So rule of thumb ulit, ang i ay galing kay i adjective and normally wala kang inilalagay in between kung ano man ang kasunod niya. Wala. So hindi tayo naglalagay ng kahit ano doon. Alright? Correct this ne. And finally, so we have here this one. Niregaluhan siya ne. Kore porezento desu dozo. Sabi ni B. Siya ito si B, no? Arigatou gozaimasu. Nani. Alright. So, medyo na-overwhelm siguro siya. Masaya siya kasi binigyan siya ng porezento. Ano ang proper na gagamitin natin for this part. So, we have taisetsu desu. Lagyan natin sa context. Arigatou gozaimasu. Taisetsu desu. Arigatou gozaimasu, taisetsu ni shimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu, taisetsu ni narimasu. Okay, minasan, what can you say about our problem? Okay, so the answer here is taisetsu ni shimasu. Okay, anong ibig sabihin ng conjugation na to? I'll take care of it. Pakakaingatan ko ito in Tagalog. So, ni shimasu is used after an na adjective or a noun. Okay, so hindi siya pwede sa ni. Taisetsu ni shimasu. Yay! So I hope naging malinaw ang aking explanation regarding this because this is our last lesson for book 1. So sa mga susunod nating video, that will be book 2 na. Okay? So thank you minasang for listening. Okay, bye!